Putting everything back. It is Saturday. Alright, I got what I can put back together, and right now I need a new battery, so I'll try to put this on the charger, and I'm done for the night. I'm not sure if you saw that, but what happened was when I plugged this connector into the fuel pump, the internal fuel pump in the tank, it turned on. So there's a short somewhere. Now, it didn't do that before, so my guess right off the bat is this ECU that we're trying to fix must have just bypassed the ignition to give it power. Let me just do that again just to make sure. Okay, let's see if you guys can hear this. You hear that? Yes. So. Just came back, and the relay was bad. Now, I wonder if this thing shorted out my ECU. We're about to start this thing up, and the good news is I don't have a check engine light. Check this baby out. I'm just excited, but I'm trying not to get ahead of myself here. What I'm going to do is turn that switch off, and the check engine light went away. Now it's throwing me a F1 code. That's fine for now because I know I have about 3 or 4 codes that came up. So what's next? And now we're going to fuel this baby up, get some gas in there, and let's see if this thing starts. Wish me luck. Alright, I just heard it. I'm going to do that again. Okay. Oh, battery, come on. Okay, battery's low. And we're going to let this thing charge up.